Hey guys, it's Nathan Lucas, and in this video, I'm going to cover the top 5 Yamaha digital pianos that are listed on Amazon. Stick around. Okay, you guys, so I've took all the hard work out for you, and what I've done is I've gone on Amazon and I've actually searched for digital piano, and as you can see over on the right side, I've sorted them by average customer review. And then I've also sorted down here on Amazon Prime. And now I'm gonna cover the results with you, what the top digital pianos are on Amazon, and you can make the decision for yourself. So the first one is the Yamaha DGX650WH. And as you can see, this piano right here, it comes in white, all right? Now there's one thing that I have to tell you guys about this piano, and that is this one came up in the search results, and it was the only one that you have to pay shipping for. So even though this fell under Prime, as I searched for Prime, and I'll go back here, so I did have Prime checked, and as you can see, this one came up, okay? So it does not have Amazon Prime shipping, and this is the only one out of the top 5 that I'm going to be showing you. All right, so let's jump into number 2. So the number 2 piano is the Yamaha DGX660 with 88 notes, okay? And this is the one that comes in black. And I will tell you that this one actually came up in the running as the number 2. I think the number 3 only because it also comes in white. And then it also came in number, I believe it was 4 or 5. So it actually has 3 or 4 different positions in the top 5. But all I'm going to do is keep it for number 2, the Yamaha DGX660 coming in at number 2. Okay, so number 3 is the Yamaha PT230 keyboard, and this one actually comes with an AC adapter, all right? And this is actually on the lower end as far as price goes, under $200 for this one. It comes with the adapter. This one, of course, is on Prime, and it looks like it comes in black. Okay, and up for number 3 is the Yamaha YPG 535, and this has 88 portable electronic keyboard, and this one actually comes with headphones, a dust cover, and sustain pedal plus, coming in at just under $570. You can see the pictures it has here. Those are the JVC headphones. It's got the cover that it comes with, and then also that pedal as well. All right, last but not least, coming in at number 5 is the Yamaha PSR E253 with 61 keys. Now this one, as you can see, is a bundle. It comes with a stand here, it comes with a bench, it comes with JVC headphones, as well as this survival kit, which looks like it includes a pedal as well. And this one is coming in at just under $220. So for all of these Yamaha digital pianos, I have links down in the descriptions for each one, and I've also been able to create an Amazon store where all 5 of these are listed in one location. So again, if you want to take a closer look at any of these pianos or all of them together, I will leave all of those links down in the description of this video.